The silent guardian of data at InfoShield Corp, data was the company's most valuable asset. But with employees accessing systems from different locations, the risk of data loss was high. To prevent this, they implemented data loss prevention (DLP) systems. One day, an employee accidentally saved a file containing credit card numbers on a shared drive. Fortunately, the agent-based DLP system, installed on employee devices, quickly scanned and detected the sensitive data. It alerted the security team, who encrypted the file to secure it. In another instance, a disgruntled employee tried to send confidential project details to a competitor using personal email. The network-based DLP system, monitoring outbound network traffic, detected the unencrypted data and blocked the transmission instantly. The security team was notified, preventing a major data breach. Additionally, watermarking was applied to critical documents labeled confidential. Even if someone attempted to copy or move these files, the DLP system would detect the watermark and prevent unauthorized sharing. Pattern matching also helped. When the system noticed a string of numbers formatted like a social security number in an email, it stopped the message and alerted the administrator. Implementing DLP systems helps organizations detect, block, and secure sensitive data, reducing the risk of data loss through accidental or malicious actions.